Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sri Ram Devarajan. In this video, I am going to discuss introduction part for chapter 2 polynomials for CBSE class 10 mathematics students. I already discussed the problem exercise 2.1. In this video, I am going to discuss another introduction part before proceeding towards exercise 2.2. In this introduction part, one important relation which is very important discussing the problem in exercise 2.2 in the chapter 2 polynomials. I am going to discuss the relationship between zeros and the coefficient of a polynomial. This relationship is very important for solving the problem in exercise 2.2. I am going to discuss the most important polynomial, which is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx c. Here a, b, c are constant. Coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, constant term is c. The relation is sum of the zeros. Since it is a quadratic polynomial, this quadratic polynomial must have two zeros because of degree 2. We know very well. If the polynomial is cubic, it must have 3 zeros. If the polynomial is linear, it must have 1 zero. But we are discussing a quadratic polynomial which is a degree 2, it must have 2 zeros. I am taking 1 zero as alpha, second zero as beta. I am taking alpha plus beta. The formula is, the relationship is coefficient of x, that is b coefficient of x square a. This is the relationship which is the first one, that is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square minus b by a, or otherwise I am writing here minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. This is first relation. Now the relation second one, product of zeros. Product of zeros means alpha beta constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Here constant term is c, x square coefficient is a. This is second relation. First one sum of the zeros, second one product of the zeros, alpha plus beta minus c by a, alpha beta minus b by a, alpha beta c by a. One example I am going to discuss in the introduction part. I am taking one quadratic polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6. Here coefficient of x square, if you compare this one, ax square plus bx plus c. A is 1, B is 5, C is 6. A coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into 6, 6x square. Prime factorize 6. We get 2, 3, 3, 1. Therefore, now I am going to equate x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 to find the zeros. The x square 5x can be written as 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Take x outside. X into x plus 3, 2 into x plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 3 take outside, which is a common one. X plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. If x plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 3, x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. One of the 0 alpha is minus 3, another 0 beta is minus 2. Now I am going to verify the relation sum of the 0 alpha plus beta minus coefficient of x 5 by 1 minus 5. Alpha value is minus 3, beta value is minus 2, minus 5, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. First relationship is verified. Now I am going to verify alpha beta constant term by coefficient of x, that is c by a. C is 6, a is 1, 6. Alpha value is minus 3, beta value is minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 6. Second verification is over. We have verified relation between the zeros and the coefficient of a polynomial. Zeros coefficient of a polynomial with the help of the formula alpha plus beta minus b by a, alpha beta c by a. I have considered one example, x square plus 5x plus 6. At last we verify sum of the 0 minus 5, minus 5 equal to minus 5, product alpha beta, which is 6, alpha plus beta minus 5, alpha beta 6. Alpha plus beta means sum of the 0, alpha beta means product of the 0. Here minus 5 equal to minus 5, here plus 6 equal to 6. This relationship is very important discussing the problem in exercise 2.2 from the chapter 2 polynomial for CBSE class 10 mathematics students. I will solve the problem in the exercise 2.2 in the upcoming video. You just subscribe my channel, share my channel to your friend and like my channel.